Yeah, you know we're gonna be playing BLOXFRUITS today, guys. And guys, we're gonna be leveling up the blizzard fruit today. I haven't ever leveled up the blizzard fruit because as you can see, chat, this does not look like some good mastery. Whiteout is not actually. Hold on, let me go just brutally beat up this guy over here. Then we're gonna check to see if mastery is good. All right. Not too bad. It's not too bad. Alright, let's just run some circles around, bro. No! Okay. Two. I've been busy with stuff, and oh my god, is that mastery good? Only 30? Bro, I remember when I had got 39 one time. I think I gotta do a quest. Guys, should we go roll a fruit? Let's go roll a fruit, guys. So, yeah, let's go ahead and roll a fruit. Got my hopes. That's a net. Alright, let me stop. The love fruit? No way. I literally just had this fruit. Dog. Stored. You told me it's that easy to get the love fruit? Am I geeking and tweaking? Okay, let's see what we can do. First, let's see if we could hit a multi. Get him. Let's see if we can hit multiple people. Did it hit him too? I think it did. I'm definitely gonna get 2 times the mastery, chat, so don't you worry. Don't you freaking worry, chat. Oh snap, my phone almost fell. Alright, let's weave these dudes and yeah, I like that. This fruit doesn't feel too bad right now. Why are they spamming that junk? Shuriken! Snowflake Shuriken. That's literally what the move called. Don't start fighting with me. $47? Oh god, this is not gonna be good. This map. Dog, you spawned back and got straight to fighting. Alright, bro. Y'all wanna fight me again? Wait, I got tornado flight? Wait, does this damage? It do! Yeah! Bro, this is like the magma fruit. Wait, do I have that? Oh no. This is the... Wait, what? This is a Logia fruit? Guys. I just got shivers. This is a Logia fruit! Oh my god! Bro, I don't know if Logia is something. Alright, chat, so I kind of lagged out. So that means y'all get a video for an extra 8 minutes to a fruit spawn. Yay! We also still got the normal stuff that we've been had, so yeah, I guess. Let's go ahead and go back to what we was doing. And then do this. Alright, that's all I wanted to show you guys, so, yeah. Alright guys, I just finished the quest I was just doing, and I got a new move. So let's go put some stats into BLOXFRUITS, and let's go ahead and try out this new move, okay chat? So whiteout, let's wait, no. Let's try using it. How much? Dog, that damage is kind of booty. Never mind. I take back what I said. Huh. Whiteout. So whiteout's like is an aimbot type of thing. Okay, that's not too shabby. Oh, also, hold up. So guys, the reason you can't hear me tapping on my screen anymore is because I got new headphones for Christmas. So basically all that means is that y'all won't hear all the tapping that I be doing on my screen, and you'll only hear my voice, which is super duper cool. These guys don't give you good mastery. I tried it before, and I'm not trying it again. Alright, I gotta shut up because copyright's not going to touch me. Pause. Oh, the boss is not in here, chat. That's unfortunate. Okay, let's go beat up the guys over here. See how much mastery they give. Yeah, it basically just gives us the same mastery if we fight the people on our level, which fighting these guys just way more work and just causes back pain. Bro, Blizzard is legitly just freaking ice, but way more cooler and way more better, bro. This is like, I know this fruit probably been out for a while, but I just started playing BLOXFRUITS, so this is genuinely super cool for me. Alright, chat. So, it happened again. So, I might record for a little bit longer. We might not record for an hour, because I'm not trying to sit here for an hour doing this over and over again, and I gotta always restart. So, we're gonna level up the fruit a little bit today, but once I'm done, like, it goes off a few more times, then I'm gonna end it off right there. Let's go fight these guys. They can touch me even if my hockey is on because they have hockey. So I'm not gonna fight them. I mean, they can't fight me with my Loki. Yeah. Cause y'all gonna hit that. That's not how it works, bro. That's not how it works. Hey. Yeah, little bro, how it feels now to be dusted. What the heck? What you looking at, buddy? What are you looking at, buddy? No, it's time for you to die. I could literally repeat hitting these dudes. Dude, this might be the easiest level mastery up I ever did. They can't hit me when I'm up here. Like, you can't see me. So serve. 1, 2, he's coming for you. 3 with the 4. Please don't block that door. 5 it through 6 it. Scrap metal. Did all of them die? No, but this looks like a good way to grind. Alright, bet. Say less. No, no way! There's no way! Psych. Hey, that's not very nice. I forgot my path. Oh. Forgot my path. I was gonna say, don't you guys think of anything weird, you freaky little guys. Alright, so if I get the Howling Wind, I'm gonna get that. Then I'm gonna call it quits on this. And we're gonna do one last video to getting to probably 950 in the next video. For this video, we're gonna be trying to get to 920, I think. If I do say so myself, alright, let me stop. 9, straight into defense. Come here. Chill, bro. My quest is already over. Oh, dang. What's your problem? Let's hurry up and get the heck away from these guys. They're crazy. Ooh, we leveled up to that. Okay, nice. Get back to murdering these dudes. Murdering. Yeah. Not too shabby, because I be able to make up a Krabby Patty. Okay. That was anticlimactic. Yeah. Nah, you're expecting that, buddy. They both died? No, you're not getting your revenge! Crazy. Bro just got folded over something he couldn't stop. Nice. $915. That's genuinely not too bad, chat. Yes, we got the new skill, chat. Alright, let's use it on these guys. You must think I'm playing! Bro, that was kinda not too bad, you know? Not the last move. Didn't expect nothing crazy for a first. I expected something so crazy. You know, guys, let's go do it on the boss over here. There's like a boss somewhere. Okay, I see it. Let's do it on the boss, chat. Let's see what happens. Alright, bro, just gotta demonstrate. How much damage? Bro, that. Oh, this is the boss, so it might not do too much. Yeah. Yo. Alright, so this is like the epic showdown. I'm definitely getting packed up. Whiteout. Where's Whiteout? So that just does no damage? Dog! I'm out here getting comboed. This is legit move. That's not like a... That's not an ultimate move! I'm keeping my distance. I'm keeping my distance! Dog, being next to this dude is a pain. There's no such thing as comboing, bro. You better can't leave that. No. I just wasted my best move I had. Die. Leave me alone. Get away. No. Stop crashing out everywhere, bro. It swerved on our corner. Whoa. Oh. At least I got bounty. Let's check this. Ooh, 2 million bounty, chat. Yeah. Yo. Hey, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hey, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications, guys. And peace the freak out.